Replacing the key fob battery in your 2007-2011 Lexus GS350 is a simple DIY task. You'll need a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery. High-quality batteries like Energizer or Panasonic are recommended. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, locate the small gap on the fob's edge and use your tool to gently separate the two halves. Remove the old battery, noting which side faces up. That's the positive side. Insert the new CR2032 with the correct polarity, positive side up. Snap the halves back together. Test the fob near your vehicle to ensure it's working. Remember to wear gloves to keep skin oils off the contacts. If the key fob doesn't work after battery replacement, first check for corroded contacts and clean them with isopropyl alcohol. Ensure the rubber gasket is properly seated to seal against moisture, which can damage the internal components. In colder climates, batteries drain faster due to low temperatures. Consider storing your fob indoors during winter or using rechargeable CR2032 alternatives. Avoid using CR2025 batteries, as they may not provide sufficient voltage for proper fob operation. If problems continue after these steps, a professional check may be needed, as a faulty receiver module in the vehicle could be causing the issue. While third-party fobs are available, OEM parts are generally recommended for the best compatibility and reliability.